Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. All right, a technician brought in this phone and he told me that this phone is dead. This is Samsung A05. Okay, this is Samsung A05 and the phone is in dead condition. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to troubleshoot a problem like this. Okay, if you are interested in our online training, please make sure you join us and DM us on the numbers on the screen, and we are going to help you become a very professional technician. All right, powering on the phone. And there is no power on this phone. Okay, the phone is not powering on. So what are we going to do next? As a technician, what would you do next? The next thing is to check the voltage of the battery to see if it has enough voltage to power on this device. All right, multimeter on voltage mode 3.8 volt is a very good amount of current that can power on any device. So using the DC power supply to power on, pay close at the readings. 0.007, 0.010 is dropping back. That's the reading. Pressing again. If you want to know how to use DC power supply to troubleshoot mobile phone problems, please DM us on numbers on the screen and join our online training. We're going to help you become a better technician. All right. Now, what is the next thing to do, ladies and gentlemen? The next thing is to pop out this PCB from the frame. Okay, and we are going to do what we call physical inspection. Physical inspection is observing closely with your eyes any abnormalities on the PCB, like corrosion, burnt component and all that. And as you can see, everything is in order. If you're interested in our online training, please DM us on the numbers on the screen and we're going to help you become a better technician. All right, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We are going to upload more interesting videos, more educative videos, so that you can learn a lot as a technician. All right, doesn't matter if you're a professional technician or you're just starting up. If you watch our videos, you are definitely going to be the best at what you do. Trust me when I tell you that. Now, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to remove the shield. The shield is the metallic component that covers the components. It's a kind of protective iron sheet or metal. Okay, so removing the shield, you need to use the accurate airflow and the accurate temperature. If you want to know how to use the accurate temperature and the airflow, please join our online training. Okay, now as you can see, while I was eating, you know, there were smokes coming out. That means I eat this board a little bit to remove the shield. Okay, I'm going to tell you the implication later. Okay, so please pay close attention. But when you get a phone like this, this is how you're going to go about troubleshooting it. Okay, it's very important that you remove the shield first, then you allow the PCB to cool down. Okay, when it cools down, then you take your readings on diode mode. Okay, red probe on ground and black probe to take readings. You're going to take readings around the power IC section, okay, to look for any short component, because the power IC is not giving out the accurate current or voltage to each section of the mobile PCB. Okay, as you know that the power IC is responsible for power distribution on the mobile PCB. Okay, so we're going to check if there are shorted components around. Okay, so now I'm going to extend my readings to the components around here. All right, now I can't get any short already, so let's try and power on the phone again. Let's see if it's going to power on. Okay, I'm going to explain to you what really happened here. If you're interested in our online training, please DM us on the numbers on the screen. We're going to help you become a better technician. Is the phone going to power on? And the phone is powering on. Okay, you might be asking me, why would a phone power on without doing anything? Okay, let me tell you what happened. The power IC had a partial contact BGAs. So while I was heating up the shield, there is possibility that the BGAs under it melted and reconnected. That was what really happened. Okay, so it is very important. If you have this kind of problem, you can reflow the power IC, or you change the power IC and the phone is going to work properly. See you in another video. Thanks for watching. Peace.